This is chapter 14E on bearings. In this chapter, we'll learn how to use bearings to specify directions. So first of all, what are bearings? A bearing is an angle measured clockwise, meaning in the direction of the clock, from the north direction. So north, south, east, and west. Now when we use bearings, there's a few rules. Number 1, measure from the north. Number 2, measure clockwise. And then number 3, when we write them, we use 3 figures. So to express 8 degrees, we'd write 008. 15 would be 015. 265 was just 265. Now, this example is number 1 from page 227 of your textbook. This map shows the position of places relative to the middle school. Name the places that are on these bearings from the middle school. So, keeping in mind that we always start north, you have to figure out which is what. So using your protractor, you can measure out each one and figure out which one matches where. So for example, if I measure out the church from north all the way to the church, I'll notice that this is 20 degrees. So F is the church. Or to find the bus station, I will measure out from the north all the way to the bus station, and I will notice that that one is 70 degrees. So H is the bus station. And so forth. So at this time, pause and use your protractor to help you. Now if we continue moving in this direction, so 20 degrees is F, the bus station is H. We can say that the college is 100 degrees. The moss farm is 125 degrees. The windmill is 160 degrees. Beach Hill is 180 degrees. And then from there, Westwick is 215 degrees. The camping barn is 260 degrees. The well is 280 degrees. And finally, the youth hostel is 310 degrees. And that's it.